Good morning. Welcome to Hindi is Easy. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and recommend among your friends circle. If you have any clarification or feedback, please put in the comment section and surely reply back. If you see this playlist, we have started reading with the basic reading of vowels, consonants, matras, how to read the half letter words, how to read without matra letters, how to read the matra words, right? So this is the continuation of those series. During the summer time, you can watch this video and understand how to start with reading. This is a basics video to start the reading. So the primary students, pre-primary students can watch this video and do the reading practice during the summer time. Without matra words we would have read in the last video. Now in this video we will read the words as a sentence. Bus par chad. Bus par chad. 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 D ke kile dot irukku, so you have to stress this letter. Bus par chad. Climb into the bus. Bus la yeru. Gar gar. Chala chal. Gar chal. Gar chal. Go to house. Ab gara gar. Para par rah. Ab gar par rah. Ab gar par rah. Gar par pad. Gar par pad. Padna reading. Garna house. Abna ipo. Ab gar par rehna stay. Stay in the house. Read in the house. Pad da ke kila dot irukku, so you have to stress it. Ab nal par chal. Chal na walk. Nal na tap. Nal par jal bar. In the tap fill the water. Bar na fill. Jal na water. Nal par jal bar. Jal bar kar rak. Jal bar kar rak. You have to fill the water and keep. Fal rak. Fal chak. Fal fal rak rak. Fal rak. Fal chak chak. Fal chak. Up bus kar. Up bus kar. Now stop. இப்போ first நம்ம பஸ்ன்றது வந்து வெஹிக்கிள் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு. ஓகே போதும் அப்படின்றதுக்கு பஸ் தான். அப் பஸ் கர். So we'll read again. Bus per chad. Climb into the bus. Bus la ஏறு. Gar chal. Go to house. Up gar par stay in house. Now stay in house. Gar par pad. Read at home. Ab nal par chal. Go towards the tap. Nal par jal bar. So near the tap fill the water. Jal bar kar rak. So you have to fill the water and keep. Fal rak. Keep the fruit. Fal chak. Taste the fruit. Ab bus kar. Now stop it. So there is no matra. You have to just read the letter and join. So blending of the sounds is more important here. Bus par chad. Gar chal. Ab gar par rah. Gar par pad. Ab nal par chal. Nal par jal bar. Jal bar kar rak. Fal rak. Fal chak. Ab bus kar. Kamal gar chal. Gar a. This is the 2 and 3 letter words together we are reading now. Kamal gar chal. Gar a. Kamal go to house. Come to home. Nal par chal kar jal bar. Nal par chal kar. Go towards the tap and fill the water. Nal par chal kar jal bar. Ab saral akshar pad. Pad kar kalam rak. Now give a pause. Comma is there. Saral na easy. Akshar na letters. Read pannu. Now you read the easy letters. After reading padkar, kalam is pen. Keep down the pen. Kalam rak. Keep the pen. Ab saral akshar pad. Padkar kalam rak. Ab bus पर चढ़कर शहर चल. अब बस पर चढ़कर. So get into the bus. शहर चल. Go to city. कमल घर चल. घर आ. कमल घर चल. घर आ. नल पर चलकर जल भर. नल पर चलकर जल भर. Read along with me and also observe the pronunciation of j and ch. अब सरल अक्षर पढ़. फुल स्टॉप इருக்கு. पढ़कर कलम रख. अब सरल अक्षर पढ़. पढ़कर कलम रख. So full stop को you have to give more pause. कमा के little pause. अब बस पर चढ़कर शहर चल. अब बस पर चढ़कर शहर चल. So now we'll read this, okay? As a paragraph, now we'll read. We read the sentences, now we'll read as a paragraph. Without matra words only we are going to read. Ratana, Ratan, Jatpat, Sadak par chal. Ratan is the name of the boy. Jatpat means quickly move on the road. Bus par chadkar. After getting into the bus, घर चल, go to house. घर आकर, after coming home, फल चख, taste the fruit. फल चख कर, after tasting the fruit, उपवन तक चल, go to the garden. Garden वरिकुम पो. उपवन चल कर, after going to the garden, कसरत कर, exercise पन्ने. See the boy here, Ratan is doing the exercise in the garden. कसरत कर. बरगद पर चढ़. Climb on the tree, bargat. Okay, banyan tree. Uttkar, nal par chal. So get up. Uttkar na endrichi. Nal par go to the tap. Jal bar, fill the water. Jal barkar, after filling the water, gar a, come to home. Jatpat achkan pehen. Jatpat means quickly. Achkan is a long coat. Studied achkan in the word reading, right? So wear. Pehen na, wear the achkan. Achkan pehankar, after wearing the long coat, nagar chal, chal to the city. Nagar na city. So all these words we have seen the meaning in the previous video. If you have not seen, I'll give the link in the description box. You go and check the video and understand the vocabulary so that it will be easy for you to read as a paragraph. Can we read it again quickly? Ratan jatpat sadak par chal. बस पर चढ़कर घर चल. घर आकर फल चख. फल चख कर उपवन तक चल. उपवन चलकर कसरत कर. बरगद पर चढ़. उतर कर नल पर चल. जल भर. जल भर कर घर आ. झटपट अचकन पहन. अचकन पहनकर नागर चल. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் फास्टा படிப்போம். रतन झटपट सड़क पर चल. बस पर चढ़कर घर चल. घर आकर फल चख. फल चख कर उपवन तक चल. उपवन चलकर कसरत कर. बरगद पर चढ़. उतर कर नल पर चल. जल भर कर घर आ. झटपट अचकन पहन. Achkan pehankar nagar chal. Hope you have understood how to do the reading. Try பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. You will get the blending of the sounds. In the next video, we'll see few other words and vocabulary reading. Thank you, students.